Your poetry tastes the best if you very carefully follow the instructions in the recipe. Take some solitude, add instinct and passion, mix them up with tradition and imagination until smooth. Add some irony, some local depression, burst through with special Central European flavor, and in the end, don't forget the secret. Cook the masterpiece for several days and never ever serve it straight from the dish.